Here's the uncomfortable truth. If your clothes don't fit right, your life doesn't either. Most men dress like boys, not men, and that's why they get treated like boys. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to dress better using 4 simple rules that instantly make you look more confident, mature, and put together. Let's start. Step 1. Dress simple. If you want to look stylish and mature, avoid bright colors and cartoon prints. They make you look childish and ruin that clean, masculine vibe. Instead, wear simple, minimalistic clothes that actually fit you well. A plain black t-shirt that hugs your shoulders looks 10 times better than a flashy oversized hoodie with a cartoon on it. Go for neutral shades like black, white, gray, navy, beige, or olive green. These colors never go out of style and match with almost everything. Here's a quick tip. If your outfit looks loud or distracting, tone it down. Also, pay attention to fit. Even simple clothes can look premium if they fit right. Roll your sleeves slightly, tuck your shirt properly, and make sure your pants sit well on your shoes. Step 2. Build your wardrobe smartly. Let's build your wardrobe step by step so you can create classic outfits that always look good. Start with tops. You need 2 basic t-shirts, 1 black and 1 white. These 2 colors go with everything and make you look clean and sharp. Next, get 2 shirts, 1 plain and 1 checkered. You can also layer them over t-shirts. Now, bottom wear. You only need 2 pairs of jeans, 1 dark blue and 1 black. They match easily with any top. If you want a more stylish, expensive look, get a pair of baggy Korean-style pants. They're trendy and look great with simple tees or shirts. Layering is next. Layering instantly makes your outfit look more premium. Get 1 black or brown leather jacket.
It adds confidence and edge. Also, buy a long coat in black, grey, or navy blue. These give off an elegant, old-money vibe. Footwear matters a lot. You only need 2 pairs to start, 1 pair of white sneakers and 1 pair of black boots. They go with almost every outfit. And remember, keep them clean or polished. Dirty shoes can ruin your entire look in seconds. Accessories. Keep them simple but classy. Wear a leather strap watch or a bracelet. Add a leather belt to complete the look. Step 3. Understand colors. Colors can completely change how your outfit looks. Even a simple outfit can look classy and expensive if you use the right colors. Some colors that always look good are gray, charcoal gray, navy blue, burgundy, and black. Black is my personal favorite. It looks good on everyone and works for any occasion. Now, follow the 3-color rule. When you create an outfit, don't use more than 3 colors at once. For example, a white t-shirt, blue jeans, and black shoes. Simple, clean, and stylish. Wearing too many colors together makes your outfit look messy. You can also try monochrome outfits. That means wearing clothes from the same color family. For example, dark gray jeans with a black jacket, or navy pants with a light blue shirt. This makes you look taller, smarter, and more put together. That's how you make any outfit look expensive, even if it's basic. Step 4. Find your own style. Before you start buying clothes, you need to understand your own style. Because the truth is, you can wear the most expensive outfit in the world, but if it doesn't match your vibe, it will never look natural on you. So here's what to do. Go on Pinterest or Instagram and look for outfits that catch your eye. It could be a bold look, funky streetwear, starboy aesthetic, or vintage old money style. Take a few minutes to really study what you like. Do you prefer baggy clothes or fitted ones? Do you like bright colors or darker tones? Do you want to look casual or more put together? Once you understand your vibe, build your basic wardrobe around it. For example, if you like the starboy aesthetic, go for black outfits, silver accessories, leather jackets, and boots. If you like vintage style, choose neutral tones, tucked-in shirts, and loose pants. When you understand your own style, shopping becomes easy. Everything you buy starts matching your personality, and that's what makes you look confident, not just stylish. Because real style isn't about following trends. It's about wearing what feels like you. That's it. If you want me to create a more detailed video on dressing, tell me in the comments. And if you're serious about leveling up your personality, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.